Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. Here is Samani Ideas, and today, guys, I want to introduce to you guys Pipe Network. Pipe Network is a decentralized content delivery network built on Solana blockchain. And guys, this is one of the easiest airdrop to farm. It is pretty simple and straightforward. So, guys, Pipe Network have basically raised about $10 million in funding, and also there is no information about their valuation right here. All we can see is the amount they have raised. And so, guys, as you can see right here, Pipe Network is also an airdrop like all this kind of airdrop like Oasis, Block Mesh, Grass, NodePay, Down, Navigate, and many other projects have similar activity. That is what they are basically saying right here on the screen. So, guys, the first thing we need to do is to go to the website and register an account. So, guys, all you have to do is to basically come right here and sign up. So, input your email, your password, and also a referral code is needed. So once you click on the link that I put in the description, it will automatically put the referral code straight in here. So guys, that is how you'll be able to get here. So, and after coming right here, then you need to download the Chrome extension for this airdrop. So guys, click on add to Chrome, and from there you'll be able to add the extension to your browser. Once the extension has been added to your browser, just come to the top right here to log in. So once you log in, you are good to go. You can start farming your Pipe Network airdrop. So that is basically it on Pipe Network airdrop, and that is how you farm Pipe Network. So you can also generate referrals and start referring your friends. And if you guys can see right here, you can see this is Down, this is NodePay, this is Block Mesh, this is Bless airdrop. So I have many of them right here, and I also have some wallets that I've downloaded right here. In order to start farming all these kind of airdrops, you will need at least two types of wallet to be downloaded right here. You will need your MetaMask and also your Solflare, because any airdrop that doesn't give access to MetaMask, it will surely give access to Solflare. So download that 2 Chrome extension and you are good to go. So at the end of this video, I have actually created a video on how to farm some of all these airdrop. I have NodePay, we have Block Mesh, and so many of them. So at the end of this video, a link will pop up that you'll be able to click right there and go and watch the video and quickly register and start farming this airdrop. It is pretty simple. All these ones that are pretty simple, and we also have some that are very hard. I need to tell you guys the truth, some of them are hard. So that is the reason you see that they list very high and few people are able to get the airdrop. And if you want to be among that few people, I believe you guys should be ready to farm with me. So guys, in order to get more updates, it is better you join our Twitter community, our Telegram community, and also TikTok community. I will put all the link in the description, because there are so many updates that we share on Twitter, because Twitter is another community just like YouTube that airdrop is really large over there. So airdrops is really large over there. People talk about airdrop over there. So join us on Twitter community. The link will be in the description. And also for easy access, to Telegram airdrops also, you can also join us to the Telegram community, where you'll be able to get maximum updates on all these low-key airdrops. I will see you guys on my next video. Subscribe to this channel and also like this video, and whatever you feel, drop it in the comment section. I will come right there to attend to you guys. So guys, on to the next one. Bye for now.